studio, we are not we are not freezing because if we were in the studio, we would be freezing. But as you can see, we are melting in the Boracay sun because we are here at Boracay Regency enjoying our summer. But of course, that will not stop me from giving you the mushy love tunes that you guys crave for winter, spring, summer, or fall. You've got a friend. Okay, anyway. Phone question. What was my best summer trip ever? Have I ever had a summer trip with a loved one that I will never forget? Kung tinanong ako noon, obviously wala akong matandaan. So, hindi pa siya nangyayari. It's so sad. Kasi, lalo na pag when you're in a nice place and you're not there for leisure, but you're there for work. Because you want to experience the beautiful things and you want to see the beautiful and wonderful things with someone, with your loved one. So, for the past, the past few hours, nandun lang ako dun sa balkonahe ng aming hotel room. Nakatitig lang ako sa ere. Siniisip ko lang, sana nandito siya ngayon. Okay, anyway, here's Rihanna with Me Right.